Hello, I'm working on a DIY CNC machine and I came up with this coupling design. I printed this out of PLA and it is in 6 pieces because I thought it would give it some more flexibility and also it's easier to print. Then I passed some wires through these holes to give it more rigidity and also keep the pieces aligned, and so then it would be able to handle the torque coming from the step motor. Then I wrapped a piece of rubber band around the whole thing to keep it together. I don't know. Let me know what you think, and now thank you for watching.